गोयच्या दर एका ब्लॉकान आता 2 आदर्श अंगणवाडी आसतल्यो म्हण केंद्रीय बायला आणि बाल विकास मंत्री स्मृती इराणीन म्हणा। तशेंच राज्यात नव्यो 60 अंगणवाडी आणि दक्षिण गोंया खातीर वन स्टॉप सेंटर जाहीर केला। RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
The Honorable Prime Minister ensured that in 708 districts we have functional one-stop centers and 35 women helplines across all states of the country. Collectively, these one-stop centers and helplines have helped over 70 lakh women in our country. Goa demands that a special one-stop center be given for South Goa. Minister Rane, it is with absolute humility that I extend this privilege on behalf of Dr. Karad, who represents Ministry of Finance, and my ministry, the Ministry of Women and Child Development, and support this demand of yours for a one-stop center in South Goa, and we hereby publicly sanction this year. Minister Rani, you have also requested that every block of Goa have at least 2 model Anganwadis. And that is something that your secretary has been judiciously following up with the government of India. Both Dr. Karad and I are delighted, along with Secretary Pandey, to ensure that now every block of Goa will have 2 model Anganwadis. Lastly, Rajshekharji, your secretary, at the direction of the minister, has also asked that 60 years of liberation, we need 60 new Anganwadis. Me, Dr. Karad and Secretary Pandey are more than happy to support that, the celebration of the liberation, and ensure that you shall now get 60 new Anganwadis in the state of Goa.